Hi, I'm artist Linda Paul. In today's demo, I'm going to be working on my blue flower flow painting. I'm going to show you how I create a petal in the acrylic flow technique using an air gun. So here I have the painting I've been working on. This is a flow painting using Floetrol and golden artist colors. And I've been working this one in sections rather than in a one-shot, just because I'm doing kind of a color study. So today I want to redo this section here that I just scraped off because I didn't like how it went, which is always an option with flow. When you don't like it, you could just scrape it off. So I'm sort of just going to outline the petal that I want to redo. This is white paint mixed with Floetrol and a little bit of water. So I'm sort of just doing my outline so I know where I'm going. And I'm going to want to put some ultramarine blue up here so that this can blow into the blue. And then just so it's never a solid color, which is always boring, we just add a little bit of turquoise and then maybe a couple drops of sap green. And we're just going to let that blow out over top of the edge of the painting. There we go. All right. So now we want to plan in here. And we're going to start with a bit of this. This is golden Indian yellow, which is a super pretty color. And then I'm going to do a little bit of, this is transparent red oxide. I'm going to just run up here a little bit because we're going to make some patterns. Let's add some more patterns with the yellow. The more you do this, the more confident you get. We're going to fill in with white because the color blows into the white. And we like it to run off the edge because it looks really nice. And let's get some more turquoise going in here. And a little bit up here. Turquoise, turquoise. And let's see, we probably need a little more white. Oh, I need some sap green in here because sap green is pretty. And then just a bit more white, and we're ready to get our air gun. I just use a little compressor and an air gun with nothing in it. You can also use a blow dryer. It sort of depends. The air gun is nice for smaller controlled blows, and the blow dryer works great for what I call a big blow. So here's my little air gun. I'm going to drop it on gradually. Oh, I need a little bit more white right here. Excuse the noise. So we don't want to just blow into here fast. We sort of want to just start it and lower it down gradually and sort of see how our pattern is going. And sort of just use your judgment to find a pretty pattern. Keep that going off the edge there. Go back here. Pretty turquoise is coming up. That looks quite nice. Let's get a bit more on the top here. Pull it off. So when something isn't working or you want more color, it's really easy just to scrape it off. You can just take a popsicle stick. Say I wanted more color in this bottom end. I can just sort of scrape this off like this, and I just let it run off the edge of the painting. There's push pins on the back of the painting so that it's elevated off the paper. So now I can go again with a bit more turquoise, more sap green. I just wanted this area to be a little deeper in color. Some white. And then about just a bit more turquoise and a ribbon of the Indian yellow, maybe just a drop or two of transparent red oxide. Now we're just going to blow that section. We don't want to overblow. Overblowing just starts to mix the colors together too much. And if you don't like the little cells or the circles that ensue, you can just blow them with a straw a little bit. Smooth them out that way.